Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Afna and today we're going to talk about the data types. So there are four of them, which are string, integer, boolean, and floats. The first thing we're going to talk about is strings. So, how does a string look like? So we make a variable a equals to shift, then double quotes. So we can write my name is Avner or anything else. Then print A. So now if we run the code, it says my name is Avner. Now, if we take out the double quotes, here's what happens. See, it's an error because this is a string type. So we, of course, need the double quotes here. Or else it prints error like we saw over here, right? Now, the second thing we're going to talk about is integers. Integers are like what? They're from minus infinity to plus infinity. So I can say negative 1 or negative 100 or probably 20, right? It can be anything, but it just has to be from minus infinity to plus infinity. So if I say 23, right? And I here will do double quotes. Sam is, comma, a years old. So if we run the code, Sam is 23 years old, right? And now I can, if we take out that, and now we can put a again, make this negative 23. See, it prints negative 23. Now that integer was simple, now we're going to talk about what is a boolean. Boolean's like true or false, right? So we always have to do a capital T for true, and for false, always a capital F. So, true, right? That's the spelling of true. That's easy for you for the ones that know how to spell it. If I run the code, see it prints true. If I here write false, run the code, it prints false. We don't also have to make a variable all the time, right? But we're just doing this. Okay, we can also print here true if we want. Oh, my bad. Like that. So look, C prints true. That's another way. The second thing the last thing we're gonna learn is about the floats. So floats, they're like decimals, like 1.1, 5.6, 0.5, right? And they always have to be in double quotes. So 0.45, if I run it, see it prints 0.45. I can write here 1.23. It writes 1.23, right? So now you guys are now starting to understand what is strings, integers, boolean, and float. Now, if you practice this, keep on practicing. Then you get the hang of it in like no time. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about my video about the 4 data types. You can feel free if you have any questions, you can write in the comments. I hope you like it, and bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.